Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got nail mail and this one is from Maniology. It comes in this beautiful little envelope. It says Maniology nail stamping plate. On the back it has instructions on how to use the plate, their website maniology.com, and their hashtag share your creations using hashtag Maniology. And they included a pineapple gummy. Here is the beautiful stamping plate, Maniology M091. Let's get a closer look at these images. It has the blue film to protect the design, which I'm going to remove now, but I wanted to let you guys know that this is an extra special stamping plate for me because I submitted an image for their create your own plate and they picked my image as one of the winning designs, and it's this beautiful heart right here with a maze inside it, and I called this Amazing Heart. So it's a play on words, amazing heart, and also a maze in heart. This image is actually a drawing that my brother did for me a long time ago, and I loved it so much that I printed it on a t-shirt. I submitted it and I was so happy when they told me that I had won because I had a chance to then get this beautiful design on my nails. The image is a little bit large, as you can see, so it's not going to fit completely on my nails, but I'll be able to shrink it and put different parts of it on my nails. The rest of the images on this stamping plate are also designs that were submitted and won. So this is an extra special stamping plate. Congratulations to all the other winners. Let's go ahead and remove the blue film. I love the combination of images that they put on this plate. Here we have a lot of beautiful words: wonderful, lovely, blessed, fighter, and brave. Here we have a little message, believe in yourself, and they all seem to go together like they're swirly designs. Let's swatch all the images. Oh, that would look so pretty colored in. I'm going to use my Maniology stamper for these smaller images. Wow, look at the detail in that. It's so beautiful. I'm going to clean off the plate and do the words in black. I'll use Maniology's straight up black. And just so you guys know, the red polish I was using is a regular polish. It's not a stamping polish. Look at that. Perfect stamp. And the last one I'm going to do is my image, which is the beautiful Amaze in Heart. Wow, look at that. Gorgeous. They did a great job with that. Let's do it in red. Every single detail shows up. Wow. Thank you so much, Maniology, for this beautiful, beautiful gift. As always, their stamping plates are very well etched, and this one is no exception. You can see the details of every one of the words, no matter how small it is, and they're really small. I am in love with this image. They did a great job with it. I actually forgot to show you guys that on the back of the plate, it has their logo, Maniology, which is really nice. Alright, so let's stamp some images on my nails. I'm wearing this beautiful shimmery Morgan Taylor nail polish called Some Girls Prefer Pearls. I'm going to try stamping half of the heart on one nail and the other half on the other nail. See if I can do that. It looks great. Now I'm going to remove the excess here using a piece of tape. Look at that. It's beautiful. I love the design so much that I want to just leave it like this because it is a replica of the t-shirt, or the image that I had printed on the t-shirt, which I'll share with you guys right now. They finished off the heart in the image that they did, and they didn't include this, and I can see why. I mean, it's a lot of detail, and they just did the basic shape of the heart. They filled in this top area. So here's a little comparison. They did really good. I'm really happy with it, and it has a really special meaning, obviously, because this is something that my brother drew for me. I'm really thankful to Maniology for this wonderful opportunity and for choosing my image as one of the winners. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or comments, please be sure to let me know. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!